Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can install the mop pad in the robot Roomba 105. So this is a mop pad. You should get it with the accessories to your robot. And how to install it? We have to just put it with these two parts and put it to this part of the robot. Sometimes it's hard to aim it. So as you can see, I have also the problem with it. Okay, and now it's installed. If you want to remove it, just lift it up with some strength, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.